Hello friends and welcome to PyShine Learning Series. This video is about explaining the key differences between return and yield statements in Python. So let's start by knowing the meaning of the word yield. In general, yield means to produce or provide natural agriculture or industrial product. However, in Python, yield and return statements have different meanings. Yield statement is used in a function. It provides an output and continue. On the other hand, return statement provides an output. Instead of continuing, it stops and exits the function. Yield statement gives back a generator object. It is always used inside a function. A powerful feature is that it keeps the states of the local variables. Moreover, whenever it is called, it does not exit the function. Return statement gives back the actual value. Whenever a return is called, the function exits, and the states of the local variables are destroyed. Let's do some coding to know more about yield and return. Let's make a simple function that will iterate using a for loop and print the incremented value of local variable I.
As we call this function in the print statement, the value of I increments from 0 to 2. Let's add a return statement and run the code again. This time, the function exits at the value of I equal to 0. Let's replace the return statement with a yield statement and run the code again. This time the function returns a generator object at a certain memory address. Let's make a list of the output of this function. As we can see, the yield has returned all of the values as planned. It does not matter how many times we call this list, we will get a list every time. However, if we get this generator object in a new variable called value and use the next function, we will get the so far remaining item from the execution stack. As we call the next again and again, the execution stack goes on yielding the remaining executions. Finally, the execution stack will be empty. In other words, we can say that the list of items and their values are retained till the last time. Let's remove all the next function calls and check the list. We can see that the next function takes each iteration from the execution stack. We have observed that the major difference is that we can have multiple yields in a function. Yield remembers its place in a function, so the next time you call next, your function continues on to the next yield. Thanks for watching. Please share, comment and subscribe if you like this channel. See you again in PyShine.